You think you know me?
Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be about the Worx electric snow shovel. This is a 40 volt, uses two 20 volt batteries. It has 2 speeds, adjustable handle, and very little assembly. It even comes with the tool. I've done Worx stuff in the past. I like Worx tools. I've had a lot of luck with them. I'm not sponsored by them at all, so it doesn't do me any good to fake these reviews at all. A few details about the Worx Nitro series. They have a 5-year warranty. This has 2 speeds. We're going to test it out. I believe they claim 25 feet that it throws it. The tool that I tried out before was a cheaper one off of Amazon. I didn't do a video for it because basically it went right back in the box after I tried using it once. I have not tried to use this one at all. I spent about 200 bucks on this on one of the Amazon deals, but regularly it's like closer to 300, I believe. Let's test it out now. It has the safety and the trigger. I'm going to try it on the lowest speed first. Of course, you can adjust the angle of which you want it thrown. I'm going to throw it forward first. It's really quiet. Let's see, this snow's been here a while too, so I'm going to try and get you a little bit more of a wide angle. I'm going to do it in speed 1 first, and then I'll do speed 2 after. That was speed 1. That was speed 2. Now speed 1 is on the left, speed 2, not much difference. This showing you the depth. Of course, you don't like to go across grass like this, so I did have to lift up on it a little bit. It definitely is going to be a lot easier than running a regular shovel on my old back and knees. I'm going to do a quick demonstration now on my deck. This snow's been here a few days, so it's compacted down. It's really heavy. There is some freezing ice underneath, frozen ice, not freezing ice, whatever. So I'm going to demonstrate that now, see if it works better actually on the deck. Okay, we're going to try this out on the deck. I've got it on speed 2 still. Like I said, this stuff is frozen. Doesn't like going across the road too much. It is breaking the ice up a little bit underneath. I have to hit the frozen ice a little bit. It dries. But it is clearing it pretty well. But like with this frozen heavy stuff, it still clears it. You may have to make a couple passes across the harder stuff. But not bad. It still takes a lot of work with a regular shovel, folks. So this thing works really well. I'll tell you folks, I've been out here playing with it for a while, the Worx Nitro snow shovel. And this was all the frozen icy stuff that you get at the end of your driveway. You know how heavy that stuff is. Worx Nitro cut through this icy stuff pretty good. I wouldn't recommend doing it too often because the blades are a heavier plastic. This is what I'll use my normal snowblower for, but this is just to give you an idea how strong it is. It was throwing it pretty far too. Just to give you an idea too, I was clearing this area out and it was shooting it out past the mailbox. That's quite a ways away. Like I said, folks, this comes with a 5-year warranty. That's pretty good for a tool. You don't usually get warranties more than a year or 2 years tops, even with some of your higher end brands, which I consider Worx to be somewhat higher end, maybe not professional quality, but it does the job for the average homeowner. It claims that these batteries and the shovel will actually do a 4-car driveway. I'm not going to demonstrate that today. I have no need to do that because I have a regular snowblower to do that job. Basically, I want this just to clear out my front and back deck and maybe make a couple passes around the car when I'm in a hurry to get out of the house. I do recommend this. I like Worx too. I'm not sponsored by them in any way, so this is just a private review of another Worx tool. I like it. This is going to save my back a lot in the end. The only thing is you kind of have to kneel down if you're a little bit older, have back issues, which I do have a little bit. It is a heavier tool. You're not going to want to lug this thing around over and over. It's heavy duty. The thing's not going to break on you. It's nice. Thanks for watching. I'll have more tool reviews and other stuff over the winter. Bye for now.